Hello everyone, today we'll guide you step by step to replace your Derailleur pulleys with CyclingCeramic Derailleur pulleys on a Shimano Dura-Ace or 12-speed Ultegra. In the box you will find your 2 pulleys, a maintenance oil, as well as spacers for other brands, Campagnolo or SRAM, covered in another video. Start by removing your wheel. It won't be necessary to remove the chain for this procedure. Using a 2.5mm Allen key, start by removing the upper pulley. You'll end up with a pulley and 2 spacers, one of which we'll keep. Choose your upper pulley. It's the one with a chamfered teeth. For example, here's the left pulley versus the right one which is chamfered. Take one of the 2 original spacers and place it on the wheel side, on the side with no logo marking. Reinstall your upper pulley. We'll torque it at the end. Do the same for the lower pulley with a 2.5mm Allen key. In the same way we'll have 2 spacers, we keep one of them. Take your CyclingCeramic pulley and fit an original spacer on the wheel side. As a reminder, your CyclingCeramic pulleys come pre-greased. Nothing else to do. Install the pulley. Next, we'll tighten to torque. Shimano's recommendation is between 2.5 and 5 Nm, but we recommend not exceeding 2.5 Nm. Reinstall your wheel. Using the Shimano eTube app, make a micro adjustment which may be necessary, or do it directly on the rear derailleur. Your shifting should be smooth from the first to the last cog. And that's it. Your Derailleur pulleys are now ceramic with unmatched smoothness. Have a great ride!